Guys, welcome to B-Stride DIY. I want to show you another week video here where we go over some tool deals. First from Dovo is this outdoor laser level with receiver. Has a daylight high-vis laser level with 360-degree self-leveling up to 400 feet long range. Now this is going to be $349, but starting on the 25th, there's going to be a 15% discount, bringing it down to $297. And this will be good through March 31st, so keep that in mind. This has 5-star ratings almost, and now this next one is a 4x360-degree laser level with 4D plain magnetic bracket included. This is the K4 360G model. Now this is going to be a final price of $134.99, which is a discount of 25%. Now that 4D, it gives you that extra line to help with trim, which is very helpful at times. Next is this Sawzall bimetal wood and metal cutting reciprocating saw blade. This is a 20-piece set at $17.97. You're saving 60% here, so it's going to be a savings of $27. It was $44.97. It's now $17.97. Now this is sporting 3 times more life, optimized TPI with the tough neck ribs. And you can get this free delivery to store by March 26. Now from Dovo, again, you're getting this deal for this laser level. I think they're doing deals on all their laser levels. This is up to 197 feet for long range. This is great for construction, tiling, framing with a 12-line green bean. This is the H3 360G model. Now this is going to be 25% off on this deal. This is 94 ratings at about 4.8 stars. Next up from Shockwave is this Impact Duty alloy steel screwdriver bit set. This is going to be $29.97. That's a savings of $50 or 63%. Now these have the wear guard tips, which improve wear resistance and protect bit life, and they absorb peak torque as well. Now from Rigid, I love Rigid. These are the 18-volt cordless 3-tool combo kit. So you're getting the LED stick light, the LED spotlight, and the LED hybrid panel tool. And this is for $149. This is a 48% savings. You're saving $139 here. And these have the clear white LEDs, free parts and service for life with registration, of course, with Rigid. And you can get delivery by March 28th if you buy today with this. And ship to store March 28th to April 2nd, about 4.6 stars with over 2,000 ratings. Now from Milwaukee, this is a decent deal from 2.5 amp hour battery. It's a $37 final price with 7% off. And they're saying over 2,000 were bought in the last month. Now from DeWalt, this is an exclusive deal. Their 4.5-inch 24-tooth circular saw blade for $797. This is great for cutting plywood, OSB, MDF, softwood, and this has construction-grade carbide teeth on this. Now from DeWalt as well, you're getting this 1/2-inch high-torque impact wrench kit with the 5 amp hour battery and charger. This is $249. You're saving more than you're spending here. Well, it's 50% off, so you're saving $250. And this is one of their special deals as well with a limited time on this one. It's delivering 1,200 foot-pounds of fastening torque and 1,750 pound breakaway. Now this is a Lowe's deal. This is a Kobalt 24-volt lithium-ion battery and charger. It's a 2 amp hour deal. It's only $19.98. It was $60. You're saving $40 on this one. It ends on March 24th. And of course, you're getting the battery and the charger here. A really good deal, but again, this one is a limited time deal, which ends today. So one you're going to want to pick up. It's one of their daily deals, but it shows over 1,000 people bought this last week, so they are going to go pretty quick. Next up from Rigid is this 18-volt lithium-ion 2 4 amp hour battery starter kit with charger and bag. This is going to be $79. You're saving $198 here, so that's 71% off. Of course, you get the lifetime warranty, includes the 2 4 amp hour batteries and 18-volt charger. And you get the 18-volt charger here and free parts and service, of course. Now next up, this is from Milwaukee. It's their top rated deal on their 18-volt lithium-ion cordless 5-inch random orbital sander. It does have the M18 starter kit, which means you're getting the 5 amp hour battery as well as the charger here. This is only $149. You're saving 55%, so you're saving $179 here. Has 7,000 to 12,000 variable speed dial, as well as a powerful motor, to enable more removal per battery charge. Now from Ryobi, I know what people say about Ryobi, but this is a 1+ 18-volt lithium-ion 2 amp hour compact battery pack for $89. You're saving $169 or 66%. This is a special buy, so this ends soon. Again, you're getting the 4 batteries, the 4 18-volt 1+ 2 amp hour batteries, and these, of course, will power all their 300 1+ products. Now, this is from Woot. Woot is an Amazon company, and this is a metric long arm hex key set. This is made from chrome vanadium steel. It's $299. So that it was $438, so you're saving 32% here. And the interesting thing, look down here to the right, where it says Sales Stats Snapshot. You can see how many people bought 1, how many people bought 2, and then 3 or more. So it can inform you if you want to buy more than 1 based on what other people have bought. Now from Amazon is this Craftsman 20-volt power tool battery pack. It's a 2-pack of the lithium-ion batteries with charger. You're saving 47% here, which is $79. It was $149. So you're getting the LED charger and indicator. For battery feedback, you're getting the long life here. I know some people are saying it's Craftsman, but if you got Craftsman tools already, why not pick this up for the deal? Now look at this, guys. This is a rigid exclusive for $249. You're saving 40%. You're saving $169 on this 18-volt brushless, cordless, 4-mode, half-inch high-torque impact wrench kit. Now, this does include 2 4 amp hour lithium-ion batteries, as well as a charger. So, it's a really good deal here. You're getting the hex grip, the 4-mode selector, variable speed trigger, LED light, and this is going to this is powerful enough with 1,300-foot breakaway at 1,400 foot-pounds of breakaway here, and 40% off on this deal. Now, this is a Walmart deal. You're getting $50 off on this Greenworks 60-volt 18-inch cordless chainsaw with 4 amp hour battery and charger at $349.99. They're saying this is powerful. It's a 60-volt battery, which can make up to 110 cuts through 4x4 wood on a single charge, and 20% stronger than the 40cc. Now, this is from DeWalt if you're a Costco member. This is a 2-shelf industrial storage rack workstation with 24-inch depth. This is going to be 47% off. I don't know why they don't say it on here, but $149.97. Features a 1,250-pound distributed capacity per shelf, durable wood composite and wire grid. Now, this is from the Tool Nut website. I actually haven't been here before, but Slick Deals directed me here at $139. You're saving 33%. On this DeWalt 20-volt max 6.5-inch brushless cordless circular saw. This is the tool only, but you're saving 33% here. Looks pretty decent to me. But these are just the different pictures of all the angles and the dust chutes and the bevel here. But not a bad deal. $207, it's now $139. Now, if you don't mind some refurbished tools, these are just some rigid 18-volt brushless multi-tool kits here. And you can get a closer up view. Now, these have some factory blemishes, they're saying. The final price is $77. It was $169, so you're getting 54% off here. A really good deal. You can select ship to home or pick up in store, I guess. But it does have the battery included, which I did see, and which is a nice deal here. So not too shabby at all. But this is the rigid 18-volt brushless kit. Pretty decent deal here. I wish they did have the pictures of the blemishes, but hey, as long as it functions, I have no issue with that. Now from Rigid, you're getting these deals for $69 for the drywall cutoff tool. You get the battery charger maintainer, the solar panel, and a lot of these are going to be 50% off just because they have some blemishes. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video and check out the next one.